Welcome back to the News Hour. Now, the US Food and Drug Administration may give the green light to a COVID-19 vaccine before clinical trials have been completed. The FDA Commissioner, Stephen Hahn, says he's willing to consider granting emergency authorization for fast-tracking a vaccine. His remarks come 1 week after President Donald Trump accused the FDA of intentionally moving slowly to hurt him in the November election. Health experts have expressed their concern, saying it would be a catastrophic blow to public confidence in vaccines. Earlier this month, Russia approved a vaccine without completing phase 3 trials. Dr. Bharat Pankania is a senior clinical lecturer at the University of Exeter Medical School, and he joins us live from Bath in the UK. Great to have you on the programme. Welcome to you. Now, explain to us what sorts of things can go wrong if a vaccine is rolled out too early.
There are a number of concerns, and this is very worrying because this is evidence of politics and science meeting head-on and not getting along. It is a pity. So the sort of things that can go wrong are many, several, and long-lasting. So the short-term things are the vaccine doesn't work, and you give false reassurances to people that you've been vaccinated, therefore you're okay. Second thing, it may have side effects, and the side effects may be local. We can live with that, meaning the site of the injection, it hurts a lot. The other side effects that we are more worried about is if there are long-term side effects that we did not know. So it would be unknown side effects. And we don't know. We don't know because we haven't experimented it fully. So we don't know. It would be unknown side effects. And if there are long-term side effects or permanent damage, then faith and confidence in vaccines falls. And not only does the coronavirus vaccine not have a big uptake, but we also have loss of faith in other vaccines, which is very, very unfortunate.
And vaccines have never been produced so quickly. So even if they pass phase 3 trials, which Russia's didn't, can we be sure that they're safe?
As long as they've gone through all their proper accredited, internationally recognized protocols, they're fine. Remember, the vaccines are being accelerated because we've got the funding. And because we've got the funding and all the right things in the right place, we're able to move at pace. That doesn't mean we're cutting corners, but what we should be doing is, whilst we're able to move at pace because we've got the funding and the will of governments to allow it to happen, we don't cut corners by not doing the proper experiments that is internationally recognized that we should be doing.
And a question on herd immunity. What sort of take-up is needed to produce that so-called herd immunity?
Well, in all vaccines, we need greater than 95% uptake to have protection for the remaining 5% who have not taken up the vaccine or have had a no response to the vaccine. In this case, I don't think we are playing with herd immunity at all, because if a successful vaccine is made, we just need to immunize all the at-risk people, frontline staff, and then others. And that alone will give quite a lot of protection to vulnerable groups of people. Herd immunity will come much later, when we've been able to immunize large numbers of people much later on.
Thank you so much for giving us your perspective and for your time, Dr. Bharat Pankania. Thank you. We appreciate it.